T-square is a measuring device that attaches to the fixture when hooping with the Freestyle arm and portable mounting base. It is ideal for hooping items such as towels, bags, napkins, and jacket fronts. For setup, place the fixture onto the Freestyle arm and then place it onto the portable mounting base. Hand tighten the fastener. Next, take the T-square and thread the screws into the fixture. These screws only need to be hand tightened. Here are the basics of how to measure using the lines on the fixture and the T-square. The lines of the fixture start with the center of the hoop at 0 inches and count out to 10 inches. This means by pulling an item to line 8, the center of the hoop would be 8 inches from the edge of the item. Be sure to pull the item parallel to the lines to ensure that the item is straight with the hoop. The T-square works in a similar manner but measuring horizontally instead. Simply take the ruler and slide it until the measurement preferred aligns with the center line on the fixture. The flat end of the T-square is referred to as the 0 point. Pull the edge of the item being hooped to the 0 point. Use the lines of the fixture and T-square together to find the hoop placement quickly and accurately. For example, if a design's placement is to be 8 inches down from the top and 8 inches over from the edge of a towel, slide the T-square until the number 8 is in line with the center line of the fixture. This sets the center of the hoop 8 inches from the edge of the towel. Next, take the towel and bring it up to the 8-inch line on the fixture. Notice how I disregard the long edge of the T-square. This part of the T-square doesn't have anything to do with measuring for placement. Make sure the edge of the towel is parallel with the lines on the fixture. This will ensure the item is straight with the hoop. Now pull the left edge of the towel over to the 0 point on the T-square. The T-square and fixture are now set to consistently hoop towels 8 inches down and over. Using the lines on the fixture and T-square together can help hoop a variety of items accurately and quickly. With the T-square attachment, there is no need to pre-measure and mark items for repetitive placement. This decreases the time needed for hooping. When the T-square is not in use, be sure to remove it from the fixture. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see our full line of products, be sure to visit our website at HoopMaster.com.